time for cookies. Oh. I'm gonna be making these cookies today because my sister said they look good. But they're so small. I don't know how to put parchment paper down. These are the cookies. Ooh. Ta-da! Smell weird. ¿Más sacaste todo del horno? ¿Sacaste todo del horno? Okay. These are safe to eat raw. Pretty good. They're really good. It says it's safe to eat raw. Okay. Shouldn't eat the whole thing. Okay, take a.
I'm gonna take out a bit. Jeez. Why don't we just eat like this? This is good.
I don't know how far apart you're supposed to put them. Look at it, it's very much cute. I preheated the oven because, well, my mom did it because I don't know how the oven works. But I don't know if we were supposed to. I want to make red velvet cupcakes because they seem yummy. Let me like spread them. Also, you can't really see anything because I don't know how to film. Okay, I should show. These are the cookies. Oh, I wasn't showing. Ta-da! They fit very evenly, I guess. Cookie time. These are the ones that me and Martin made. Oops, my socks. Ta-da! Time to put the cookies in the oven. I don't know. I'm really scared. I'm gonna do this with one hand. I'm probably gonna burn myself. This is so hot. I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie. Oh God, they're falling. Ah! Okay. Should I push it? Okay, I guess that's fine. Ta-da! Cookie time! I thought I was recording. My mom took them out. I don't know why it keeps happening. But this is what the cookies look like. My mom says I gotta wait like a couple minutes for them to cool down because they're still kind of soft. Cookie time. I don't know, man. They look kind of cool. Hey guys, our cookies. I forgot to put a timer, by the way. And they're kind of burnt, like every single one of them, except for this one. It's not as burnt. This one's like looking, I don't know, charcoal. Ugh. Taste test. They smell burnt. I guess they're good. If only I remembered to put a timer, they would have been better. It's 9. I have to put this video in like 10 minutes. So this is the end of the video. I was just gonna make cookies. This is a really short video. If you enjoyed it, like it, subscribe, comment. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.